I'm Dr. Umakant handling software engineering course for you people. This software engineering is a very important aspect which speaks about the product development. How do we do it? There are different phases in development. Okay, like something like requirement, design, implementation, testing, deployment. There are many aspects okay, as a part of the life cycle that you will see. This is the 300 model with the 3 credits. A contact hours is 39 hours. Its a code is 18 UCSC 503. It is at the 5th semester. Now look at that, one of the important features of every course is writing course outcome. The moment you look at the course outcome, you will understand that at what level of things that we drive. Now here, okay, look at the first course outcome, describe the properties of various critical systems and the quality parameters. This is the familiarity level. Familiarity, this is as per the IEEE and ASM, we attach this label so that you will get to know about the concept of critical system and quality parameters. There are no practices as such you will see when it is a familiarity, but we will be giving illustration examples and all so that you can have a feeling of that. This is okay, BL2, it means that is a Bloom's level 2. Okay, level 2 is at the understanding level so that you understand the concepts and get into. Then we map it to the POs and PSOs as you have seen it in the previous semester, so that the levels of mapping is at low, moderate and substantial. That will differentiate the kind, the depth, the volume, the complex, the kind of a task that what we do. Substantial in the sense we almost take you to the industry level readiness and all. Low means we just introduce the concepts and get into that one. That's a kind of an understanding. Please refer okay all the listing of program outcome okay in the available in the college website. Second course outcome is describe the different practices that are the key components of various process models. Again, it is at the familiarity level. Then third one is identify various system requirements and prepare system specification report or software requirement specification to solve real life problems in various domains and develop a domain expertise. This is at level 3 usage level. It means that okay, you will be given activity and you are supposed to do it. By doing, okay, you learn how to identify various system requirements and preparing reports and all, right? So that's why you find that it is at the substantial level mapping to the 13th PO. Okay, it is in fact a PSO number 1. Okay, where you try to conceptualize the process, the component, the okay subcomponents and all these things. So you can refer the document and see it. Course outcome number 4 is conceptualize the system through design and modeling. You'll go through the various design components, design procedures and all, modeling and all. So it's again at level 3 so that you practice it, right? Then fifth one is develop a software system using engineering techniques, again industry relevant tools. Again, it's a level 3, right? Level 3, but we map it at moderate level so that okay the kind of okay software development, the assignment we give it through uh, CTA, course teacher assessment, is in a moderate in size. That's what we can moderately deal with this. Then verify and validate, it is about the software testing. Okay, you don't study software testing separate course, right? It is integrated as a full one chapter of around 10 hours efforts. It's at level 3. Okay, you practice all the things, so it is at substantial level we deal with that. This is an important topic okay of software testing. And the last one is manage the project in terms of the risk, configuration, versions, cost, resources, etc. Okay, it's about partly related to the project management and all, though it's at the practice level, right? We say that one, it is at moderately we try to deal with that. So this is how it is to be understood. Then when you look at the course content, it's a PEM model, performance ensuring measures. For every chapter, right, we have written number of hours. Okay, practice how many hours you do and which course outcome it belongs to, and IA, to which IA this is being covered. So you need not ask the teacher. It is true in all the courses that we, okay, which, I mean, what is the portion for the internal exam 1, 2, 3, etc. It is already reflected. And also we tell the kind of an assessment tool we use. Chapter number 1, we focus on class test and written test, and we have a practice. You all people know that we conduct a class test before the open book class test before conducting any internal exam. And this also portion for the semester end exam also. Now chapter number 2, when you look at that, there is a group activity we give where okay software requirement specification SRS report you will prepare. So for all practical purpose, you are doing the projects and all, right? The project related, your own project related things, you can have a same group and okay, prepare thoroughly and submit it here so that it will help you for your project also. And we will review this again individually group level. Lot of okay interaction we'll do it here, right? Then coming to chapter number 3, where system models design and development we look into. Okay, so we expect you to use industry relevant tool and build system models. System, okay, we have a lot many tools are available. Rational Rose is the one which helps you to create different models and all. There are many UI design tools freely available which can be used. Okay, how the interface looks into. Again, there's a group activity. Same group activity continues. So and that will help you for the project. Again, I'm repeating this, right? Then verification validation, we expect you okay develop okay the test script for a model based a particular model. We pick one state diagram and we'll tell you, will make you to go through how testing is done, how test scripts are written for that in real sense, so that this will help you to get placed. This will help you to get okay into industry very comfortably in software testing area. And also okay placement, you can okay very comfortable to walk through okay this. We use some industry relevant tools. Assignments are going to reflect all those things. Finally, last one is a quality and project management, right? Where you will be made to go through the cost estimation, other project management tool, and also okay tool like a GitHub where you can manage your project among the okay project members and all. So I request all the people use a GitHub okay or similar kind of things, right? As one of the platform to coordinate your project work, and this will take you to the okay industry readiness. Please do that. It's being used in the industry. And the finally, we'll conduct two online webinars, right? Connecting industry people, alumni, right? Connecting to your classroom, and we'll conduct a quiz based on that, so that okay, you are up to date. The software engineering is very important, irrespective of the domain that you select. Okay, later in industry. Okay, and this speaks about the culture of the project. Okay, product development phases and all a procedure that is being followed. It is a culture. In fact, okay, for every software engineer, this is their religion. Okay, to that extent, this is important, irrespective of the domain. Your domain may be network, it may be database, it may be Java, technology related things, it may be data science, machine learning, whatever that is there. Okay, culture, practices, procedures, and all to be followed. Okay, is being covered in this, and we'll cover all everything through okay practices, no theoretical stuff at all. Okay, don't get carried away by your seniors saying that one is a theoretical subject. No, not at all. This is about the, and Somerville is a nice book. Pressman is a standard book. Okay, buy one. Somerville you buy, we refer to that one, right? And there's one more book called Pankaj Chalote. You can use it. That's another fantastic book. All three are so nice to read. Okay, you can compare two okay good things. It is similar to that. So this is about the course, okay, which is available in Google Class. Google Class, okay, I'll show you about the Google Class, right? Google Class is our okay single point of repository. You'll find all things available here. Sample problem statement, how problem statement looks like I have given here. Okay, abstract and detailed okay software requirement specification sample copy are given. Syllabus copy, just know what you saw, that's made available. Sample question papers I've put it so that you can visualize and prepare for the examination, right? Some GUI samples are given, which we will refer it later. Learning materials, whatever we prepare, books, PPTs, PDF, I will put into this section. And there's another very interesting thing, which you all know we were doing it. During the classroom discussion, whatever we discuss, possible questions and all, CRs will be updating that, other people will view into that one, so that you can prepare, you can visualize how questions you may visualize on a given particular topic as a part of self-learning. Try to visualize what are the possible questions, so that will help you to prepare better. And there are, as of now, there are 6 assignments have been given with a deadline. Please go through that. First one is study of IEEE format for software requirement specifications. Study of video I have given to you. Study the video. What is that you feel about that as a system, right? That is a very interesting thing. Look at the video, right? And your views, you will be writing that right on this. Then study and list. Okay, now okay, you can see that So you are searching the internet, okay, and all standard okay, errors whatever that you have, you will go through all, okay, this, right? And whatever that you submitted, okay, that will come and appear here, and which I will go through all these things, right? So this is an assignment which you will see, okay. You can search the internet and, okay, have a look into that. This assignment speaks about study and list all possible standard errors in software product development. Are there any standard agencies or consortium responsible for publishing this? If so, write few lines about each such agencies. This such a kind of things which are not part of classroom coverage will take you beyond that. Get connected with the internet, okay, and look into outside world, and try to know about that. See, like this, there are assignments given to you. See, look at the sixth assignment, a very interesting thing which you will appreciate, right? Prepare business scenario and write Java program to show the use of JUnit testing tool. Again, self-learning component. JUnit testing tool. Okay, if you go to that small programming, you do that one, you feel that yes, okay, I can do this, okay, kind of things. So there is one more interesting thing you can see. Assignment number 5, okay, it speaks about what are assertions in C language. Prepare an appropriate business scenario and write C program to show the use of assertions. It is hardly 1 or 2 lines, okay. Here, as a part of the hint, you refer internet. In C programming language, okay, assert is a macro that is designed to be used like a function. It checks the value of an expression that we expect to be true under normal circumstance. The expression is non-zero value. The assert macro does nothing. So this the hint is also given to you, and based on that you need to work. So good number of okay, things have been given. As many as 69 students are registered. There are 6 assessment as assignment as of now. Deadlines have been given. Please do that. When you do it on your own, your confidence level will go high and you can do better in placement. Do not copy. If you copy, your confidence level is low. You can't do it from the scratch, right? So this is the Google class, okay, which you can that will become part of our interaction. All it like a logbook, right? Academic logbook, right? This and or WhatsApp also we will communicate to you all people, okay, about this. And when I speak about software engineering, again, maybe in the next class we deal with that. This entire course, okay, it focuses on different aspect, maybe product engineering process and process management process. As a part of product engineering, development process, project management process, configuration management process, these are the different aspect, okay, that we get into this. We'll see it in the next class. This today is the introductory class about the project we are, sorry, about the course that we are all talking all about this. So uh, we can say that one, with thus we come to the end of introductory class. Go through the course outcome, they are important, that will tell you, okay, that what kind of questions also you may get it on that. Every question is mapped to one or the more course outcome, so that will help you. So this is your religion henceforth for every software engineer, right? All the best. So attend the classes regularly. If you attend the class regularly, getting S grade is very simple, right? Simple thing, attend all the classes. And in the classroom, try to interact with the teacher for everything that you have. Don't carry doubts to your home. If you carry doubts to the home, that will make your next day learning, okay, difficult. So today if you learn successfully, that will make tomorrow's life successful one, right? With this I come to the end of today's session. So all your views, okay, through CR you can communicate to me and also to other teacher, okay, for all your difficulties, right? All the best. Enjoy learning. Thank you.